Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Potensic Atom Lieutenant GPS drone. A lightweight marvel weighing under 249 grams that eliminates the need for FAA or remote ID registration. This foldable drone is perfect for beginners, offering an impressive 40 minutes of flight time thanks to its 3000 mAh intelligent battery, making it ideal for extended cruising sessions. Capture stunning aerial photos and videos with its 2.5K ISO camera, featuring a Sony sensor and Shake Vanish 2.0 stabilization for smooth, clear footage, and enjoy a dynamic FPV experience with its adjustable 118 degrees field of view. With a PixSync 2.0 transmission system, you can maintain a smooth HD video feed at distances up to 4 kilometers, allowing you to capture distant scenic beauty with precision. The Atom Lieutenant is equipped with a brushless motor for stability in level 5 wind conditions and offers 3 flight modes tailored for beginners, making it a perfect entry-level choice. Supporting 4 satellite positioning systems, including GPS and GLONASS, this drone ensures high-accuracy positioning for features like auto-return home, follow me, and waypoint fly. Don't forget to keep your firmware updated via FOTA to enjoy the latest improvements in flight experience and shooting quality, and remember that the Atom Lieutenant app is compatible with iOS 11 and Android 7.0 or above, with adapter cables included for easy connectivity. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.